Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Moore, and I'd like to talk with you today about our drug-free, non-surgical knee rehabilitation system versus knee replacement surgery. What we do is we have a whole system designed to improve the function of your knee and to stimulate and spark your innate ability to heal, so you actually replace the knee with healthy bone, healthy cartilage, and healthy tissue so that you actually work better and the structure is better. So you function and your structure is better. And knee replacement is where they go in and they remove all the bones in your knee, or maybe they just do a couple parts of the bone and they replace that with metal or plastic. That is a very painful process. You're not moving around very quickly after that, and it has a 50% success rate. Also has other problems such as blood clots, infections, you take more drugs because you're on a painkiller afterwards, and in Michigan alone, in the next 2 weeks, somebody's going to die because they had knee replacement surgery. So the question is, would you like to try drug-free, non-surgical approach where you get actual results and actually a healthy new knee? Or would you like to try something you have a 50-50 chance of getting results on? The answer is up to you. But if you would like to come to our office and see if we can help you, simply call us at 810-775-9706. We would love the opportunity to change your life. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.